Welcome to Rise and Thrive, the channel where we ignite the fire within you to push beyond limits and conquer your greatest challenges. Today, we're diving deep into something that separates the winners from the rest, the mindset. If you've ever wondered why you're still struggling, why success seems just out of reach, or why your efforts don't add up to the breakthrough you crave, this video is for you. Because building a winner's mindset isn't about luck or talent. It's a step-by-step process. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Get ready to transform your thinking, your habits, and your life. Your time to rise is now. Let's begin. Why are you still weak? Why do you keep falling when others rise? The answer lies not in your circumstances, not in your talent, but in your mind. Because you haven't faced your own storm yet. You haven't stared down the fear that lives inside you. The fire in your veins that burns with doubt and hesitation. Fear is a powerful force. It can freeze you in place. It whispers lies. You're not enough, you're not ready, you can't do this. It feeds on your uncertainty and grows stronger every time you listen. But here's the truth no one tells you. The storm doesn't break you. It makes the warrior. Every champion, every legend, every person who's ever achieved greatness has faced their storm. They've been battered by failure, drowned in doubt, and burned by pain. And they chose to fight back. This is your moment to do the same. The first step to building a winner's mindset is to stop hiding. Stop pretending you're stronger than you are. Your weakness is not a curse, it's your starting line. Look yourself in the mirror and admit your flaws, your fears, your failures. Feel them deeply. Own them fully. Because only when you face your weakness head-on can you build the strength to shatter it. Weakness is not the opposite of strength. It's the foundation of it. Every muscle, every skill, every ounce of power you have was once weak. It grew through struggle, through pain, through relentless effort. So embrace your weaknesses. Let them fuel your hunger to improve. Let them remind you why you must never settle for less. Discipline is the bridge between dreams and reality. Talent will only get you so far. Motivation fades. Inspiration is fleeting. But discipline? Discipline is what keeps you moving when the fire in your veins feels like it's dying out. It's the grind when no one's watching. The extra rep, the extra hour, the refusal to quit. Discipline means showing up every day, even when you don't feel like it. It means saying no to distractions and yes to your goals. It means creating habits so strong, they become part of who you are. Discipline fuels the fire in your veins. It turns pain into power. Without discipline, your dreams remain just that, dreams. Your mind is the battlefield where every victory or defeat is decided. Negative thoughts are the enemy's bullets. They pierce your confidence, your focus, your will. But your mind is also your greatest weapon. Rewire it. Train it. Feed it with belief, with purpose, with unbreakable will. Replace "I can't" with "I will." Replace "It's too hard" with "I'm harder." Because a winner's mindset isn't born, it's built, brick by brick, thought by thought. Meditate on your goals. Visualize your success. Speak affirmations with conviction. Over time, your mind will become a fortress, impenetrable, relentless, unstoppable. Failure isn't the end. It's the forge where champions are made. Every setback is a setup for a comeback. The pain of failure is temporary, but the lessons it teaches are eternal. When you fall, don't stay down. Rise. Learn. Attack again. Every champion has scars, proof they fought hard and refused to quit. Failure is not your enemy. Fear of failure is. So embrace failure. Let it fuel your fire. Let it sharpen your resolve. You become who you surround yourself with. Energy is contagious. So is greatness. If you want to be a winner, you need a tribe of winners. Seek out mentors who challenge you, friends who push you, teams who lift you, Cut out the negativity, the doubters, the energy vampires. Your environment shapes your mindset. Choose wisely. Fuel each other's fire. Together, you will rise higher than you ever could alone. See it. Feel it. Believe it. Your mind can't tell the difference between real and imagined. When you visualize your victory, you program your brain to pursue it relentlessly. Close your eyes and picture the moment you succeed, the roar of the crowd, the weight of the trophy, the pride in your heart. Feel the emotions as if it's happening right now. Then chase that vision like your life depends on it. Because it does. It's not reserved for the lucky few. It's not something you're born with. It's a choice. A decision to fight when others quit. To endure when others give up. To believe when others doubt. Every day, every moment, you can choose to build that mindset. Step by step. Thought by thought. Action by action. Consistency is the heartbeat of success. It's not about giant leaps, but small, relentless steps forward. Show up. Do the work. Repeat. The compound effect of your efforts will create unstoppable momentum. Remember, the strongest steel is forged in the hottest fire. Your daily grind is that fire. Keep pushing. Keep grinding. Keep rising. That voice inside your head that tells you you're not good enough? It's a liar. It's the echo of fear and past failures. Challenge it. Question it. Silence it. Replace it with your own voice, loud, confident, unbreakable. You are stronger than your doubts. You are greater than your fears. You are a winner in the making. A winner's mindset is powered by purpose. Purpose is the why behind every sacrifice, every struggle, every sleepless night. Without purpose, discipline fades. Without purpose, motivation dies. Find your why. Hold it close. Let it drive you through the darkest storms. The fire in your veins is waiting to be unleashed. Stop making excuses. Stop fearing failure. Prove them wrong. Prove yourself right. This is your moment. This is your fight. Build the winner's mindset, step by step, day by day. Don't wait for the perfect time. Don't wait for the perfect conditions. Your time is now. Rise up. Rise up. Rise up. No limits. No limits. No limits. Rise and thrive. Thank you for watching this deep dive into building a winner's mindset. If you're ready to take control of your life and rise above every challenge, hit that like button, subscribe to Rise and Thrive, and share this video with someone who needs it. Remember, greatness starts with your mindset. Stay relentless. Stay hungry. And always rise and thrive. See you in the next video.